This old guy DIY video has to do with my attempt to repair the rubberized finish on a 20-year-old basket from a GE dishwasher. So you can see that this thing is rusted out in various places. I've watched a bunch of stuff online and didn't really care for their techniques. I don't want to buy a $200 replacement basket. So my great plan is to take some of this liquid tape that we use for electrical connections. It says it's waterproof and it'll attach to different things. So I bought some on Amazon for $5 for this little bottle. I'm going to take a Dremel tool, grind down these rusty areas so they're not rusty anymore, and I'm going to coat them, and we'll give it some time and see how it all works out. My wife is really pleased with my choice of places to grind all this crap off. But you can look at all this rusty stuff that came off of there. And I've taken the areas down to bare metal enough that at least the rubberized stuff should have a chance to stick. So this is what it looks like after my excellent paint job. So over the last 3 hours, I've probably put 4 coats on this thing. I put some on, let it dry, go do some other things, come back, flip it over, put it on from the other side. So you really don't realize how many spots of rust are on a 20-year-old dishwasher rack until you're trying to repair them. So I'll let this dry, we'll put it into service and see how it holds up. So after a week of doing dishes, that liquid tape is hanging in there just fine, doing the job. So we're going to call this a success. Have a good day.